How to set birthday timer on Instagram story. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on your story at the top left. Here, select any picture you want to add in your story for your countdown. You can simply click on stickers at the left or right. It's according to your region. In here, simply click on countdown. Click on countdown and then type in birthday. Now set date and then end date as well. Press on done. Then resize it, add wherever you want, press on your story, and then birthday timer has been added. This is how to set birthday timer on Instagram story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.